Athanasian Creed, Episode 25. Haec est fides catholica, quam nisi quisque fideliter firmiterque crediderit, salvus esse non poterit. Amen. This is the concluding stanza of the Creed. This is the Catholic faith. Haec, fides, and catholica, each one of these is feminine, singular, and nominative. Which, unless each person shall have believed, crediderit. Crediderit is a third singular, future perfect, indicative active, from the third conjugation verb credere. Unless each person, quisque, masculine, singular, nominative subject of credideret, unless each person shall have believed, quam, it, meaning the Catholic faith, believed it in two ways, fideliter, firmiterque, faithfully or truly, and resolutely, firmly, firmiterque. Both of these, as I've said, are adverbs. They are the positive degree. Salvus esse non poterit. He shall not be able to be saved. Notice how this future most vivid conditional works. The verb of the protasis, crediderit, is future perfect, and the verb of the apodosis, poterit, is a simple future. In other words, unless he shall have believed, that is, completed at some point in the future, he shall not be able, time occurring after that, he shall not be able, salvus esse, to be saved. Poterit, again, as I've said, is future indicative active, third singular, from the irregular verb posse. And then the creed, as all creeds, ends with the amen, which is a Hebrew word, which means verily, truly, something like that. It could be vere in Latin. That would be an equivalent adverb. It's always transliterated in both Greek and Latin.